guys, I'm a gangster. I'm rapping now. Now this is a story all about how my lip got turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute to sit right there. I'll tell you how I escaped my dad in Giza. Yeah, Giza, it's in Egypt. Mr. Martis taught us that. In West Giza, born and raised on the pyramids where I spent most of my days. I never got a chance to go to school cause I was a Jew slave and that was uncool. You fool, I'll beat you with my tool. My naked tool. Don't shake.
One day, a guard came up to me and said, I wouldn't have to beat you if you worship by a step. I tried to explain my religion to him, but he got really angry and tried to tear off my limb.
Yeah, his limb! That's like his arm and legs, not lungs. Yeah, that's you, Karen.
I ran home to my cousin's field unharmed, and when I busted that door open, he was very alarmed. Bruno prepared a camel for me to leave, and that night, freedom is what I achieved.
Yeah, Bruno, from Borat. Sorry about the last comment about Karen. Shh.
Now let's change the subject to a real Egyptian's life, where sacrifice and mummification were right. Egyptians believed in life after death, so they'd still be around after they had their last breath.
Yeah, last breath!
And sometimes they took in human sacrifice to please the gods, even for men taking their life. They believed pharaohs were gods on earth, so they worked so hard not knowing what it was worth.
Yeah, worth. Like money. Like cash money. That's my song, like it or not. And if you make fun of me, I kill you! I kill you! I kill you! I'll beat you with my naked tool! I'll be like, wah, 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 wah. I'll beat you with my naked tool! I'll be like, wah, 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 wah.
That don't rhyme.
Oh, dang, that doesn't rhyme. Crispy. Go. Oh, Go. I go. Wait, one more time. Don't stop. Go.